Are you curious about buying cryptocurrencies on Raydium but not beyond any doubt how to induce begun? Raydium may be a decentralized trade, DEX, built on the Solana blockchain, advertising quick and low-cost exchanges. In this video, I'll direct you through the method of buying on Raydium step by step. Step 1. Set up a Solana-Compatible wallet. Sometime recently you'll be able to purchase on Raydium, you'll require a wallet that underpins Solana-based tokens. The four most common wallets for this are Ghost and Sollet. Essentially download the wallet, make an account, and make beyond any doubt you store your private key safely. You'll moreover got to finance your wallet with Solana, SOL, to pay for exchange expenses and make buys. Step 2. Interface your wallet to Raydium. Once your wallet is set up, head over to the Raydium stage. At the best right corner, you'll see an alternative to put through your wallet. Select the wallet you've set up, Affirm or Sollet, and authorize the association. After interfacing, your wallet address will show up on the Raydium interface, permitting you to begin exchanging. Step 3. Select the token you need to purchase. Raydium offers an assortment of tokens for buy, counting well-known ones like USDT, SOL, and others. Utilize the exchanging interface to choose the token you need to purchase and enter the sum you would like to buy. Raydium gives real-time cost data, so you'll be able to make educated choices approximately the sum of tokens to purchase. Step 4. Survey and affirm the exchange. Sometime recently finalizing your buy, double-check the exchange subtle elements, counting the sum of tokens and the cost. When you're fulfilled, press on the swap button to total the exchange. An affirmation window will show up, and once you favor the exchange, your tokens will be exchanged to your wallet. Step 5. Screen your buy and exchange history. After obtaining the tokens, you'll track your exchange and oversee your portfolio straightforwardly inside your wallet. Raydium permits you to see exchange history, guaranteeing that everything is straightforward and well documented for your reference.